I've been on the hunt for a mascara that conditions, that's paraben free, it'll give you great length, that'll thicken. Susan Posnick. I'll definitely have the link on my site so you can check that out. And if you want that nice, bold, wide-eyed look, I definitely would go for a black. You're not going to do the pump, because when you do the pump, you're putting air into the mascara and the air is going to dry it out. Also, bacteria will form. So you're just going to give it a nice swirl, and then you're going to start on the edge. And instead of going this way, you're going to go this way. Because when you brush your mascara this way, that gives you the wide-eyed look. It also is going to catch those little hairs. This is hypoallergenic, so that's a plus as well. If you want more volume, don't hesitate to go at the top. But once you do that, do back to the technique of going this way. Because that way your lashes aren't laying flat. Nice black color. So there's a little mascara tip for you. I hope it helps. And check out my other videos for some other makeup tips. Have a great day.